Namaskar Gurukulians, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we shall continue the same chapter, National Income and Related Aggregates. The chapter 3rd, date May 14, 2020, and the name of the chapter is National Income and Related Aggregates. In previous lecture, we have discussed so many concepts like who is the normal resident of a country, distinguish between citizenship and residence, what is the domestic territory of a country, about embassies I told you, about consulates I told you. So many concepts we have discussed in previous lecture. Today I am going to start the next concept related to gross and net concept of domestic product. Gross and net concepts of domestic product. What do you mean by gross and what do you mean by net? I am telling you clearly. The difference of gross and net is known as depreciation. For example, I purchased a mobile of rupees 20,000, but after 6 months its value is now 16,000 or 15,000. It means that is the net value after deduction of depreciation, but its gross value was 20,000 on which I purchased. Okay, if you want to go from gross to net, depreciation will be deduct. But if you want to go from net to gross, the same depreciation will be added. There are so many names of depreciation like consumption of fixed capital. Fixed capital, it means I invest, I consumed it, that's why its value is depreciated. And current replacement cost. Okay. Now the next concept I am telling you, that is factor cost and market price. What do you mean by factor cost and what do you mean by market price? Firstly, you have to keep it in your mind these two things. Factor cost is that cost at which that goods are produced. It means producer has paid to the owner of the production. These are household sector. Okay. It means at which cost that goods are produced. If I want to produce something, अगर मैं कुछ produce करना चाहती हूँ, I need land, I need labor, I need capital and entrepreneurs to do hard work, काम करने के लिए, काम को चलाने के लिए. तो I have to paid for this. Rent to land, wages or compensation of employees to labor, interest to capital, and entrepreneur will work for the profit. वो किसके लिए काम करेगा? Profit के लिए काम करेगा. And market price means the market value of goods and services. I am telling you clearly this thing. When there is no role of government, there is no concept of tax and subsidies. When government will enter, the concept of tax and subsidy will start. Firstly, I am telling you indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are those taxes which is paid by the producers like GST. विच इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ द गुड्स, जो गुड्स की वैल्यू को क्या करते हैं, बढ़ा देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस ऑफ ₹1000. Next, subsidy. Subsidy means a financial help is given by the government or others. So that is also given by the government. Subsidy, a financial help given by the government is known as a subsidy. Subsidy is rupees, suppose 7,000. अब गवर्नमेंट ये सब्सिडी कहाँ से देगी? नॉट फ्रॉम हिज पॉकेट, पॉकेट में से नहीं देगी. फर्स्टली गवर्नमेंट विल अर्न, कहाँ से कमाएगी गवर्नमेंट? टैक्सेस से अर्न करेगी. आफ्टर दैट गवर्नमेंट विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट सब्सिडी हु नीड्स, जिन्हें ज़रूरत है उन्हें क्या देगी? सब्सिडी देगी. ओके, तो कॉन्सेप्ट इज नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस. नेट indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes means formula is indirect taxes minus subsidies. Here indirect taxes ₹1,000 and subsidies 7,000. It means net indirect taxes are ₹300. You got this value, but what you have to do? We were discussing about factor cost and market price. उसमें net indirect taxes कहाँ से आ गया? I am telling you the role of net indirect taxes in between. If you want to go from factor cost to market price, कहाँ जाना है? Market price में. Market price means market value of goods and services. If any good is coming in the market, value will raise due to taxes. Taxes की वजह से उसकी value क्या हो जाती है? बढ़ जाती है. Okay? और value of subsidies that will deduct from indirect taxes. Subsidies will deduct from indirect taxes. Indirect taxes में से subsidy जो है वो क्या कर दी जाएगी? कम कर दी जाएगी. Financial help that will be deduct. Now you will get the value net indirect taxes. If you are coming from factor cost to market price, अगर आप factor cost से market price में आते हो, what you have to do? क्या करना है आपको? You have to add this net indirect taxes and the same net indirect taxes will be deduct. यही indirect taxes जो हैं वो minus हो जाएंगे. If you are going from market price to factor cost, net indirect taxes. And one more concept of this, that is domestic income and national. In previous lecture I told you about domestic and national. Domestic means which is produced in the domestic territory of a country, no matter which is owned by our resident or NRI. And national income, which is that income which is earned by normal resident within a country or outside the country. Okay, so it means if you are coming from domestic to national, जब आप कहाँ आ रहे हैं? डोमेस्टिक से नेशनल में आ रहे हैं. इट मीन्स नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रोड एडेड फ्रॉम डोमेस्टिक इनकम टू नेशनल इनकम. व्हाट इट विल बी एडेड? नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रोड एडेड. द सेम नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रोड विल बी deduct when you are going back from where? National income to domestic income. Now some related aggregates name I am telling you. The name of related aggregates are: first GDPMP, This is very strange for you because you don't know what is GDP MP. So we will find the value from here. G means gross. D means domestic. P, you know it very well, that is product. MP means market price. I think now it is easy to understand, that is gross domestic product at market price. What is it? अब ये है क्या gross domestic product? It is the market value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country during the period of an accounting year. I already told you about the accounting year, financial year, which start from 1st April and end at 31st March. Okay, so it is the final value, market value of final goods and services. What is the final goods and services? Final goods and services means it is outside from the production boundary line. प्रोडक्शन की बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर है. इन इट्स नॉट मोर वैल्यू विल बी एडेड. इन सेकेंड चैप्टर आई टोल्ड यू द डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स एंड फाइनल गुड्स. इन इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स वैल्यू कैन मोर एडेड, बट इन फाइनल गुड्स नो मोर वैल्यू कैन एडेड. नेक्स्ट इज द मेन थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग definition about it, you are writing, it means what you have to write. If gross is there, then the formula is, it is the market value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country during the period of accounting year. Main thing is inclusive of depreciation. Why? Because gross is here. Next definition, NDPMP. Same is here, only one difference is here. Here gross and here net. That is net domestic product at market price. Now I am telling you the 4 definitions related to this topic. I hope you can understand easily by these terms. First is GDP MP. GDP MP, that is gross domestic product at market price. What is the definition of this? How you will define it? It can come in 3 marks suppose. So what you will write about? आप इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? What you have to write? I am telling you. First point, definition. It is the market value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country during the period of an accounting year. accounting year, financial year, which you want to write, you will write. Here gross, it means inclusive depreciation. Okay. Second is NDPM. You will write the same definition, but one difference you will make. What is the difference? I am telling you by formula, but you will write yourself at your own level. GDPMP minus depreciation. It means what you will write. It is the market value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country. Okay, during the period of an accounting year, inclusive of depreciation, but here exclusive of depreciation you will write. What you will write? It is the market value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country exclusive of depreciation, because here net is. Third is GNPMP. What do you mean by GNPMP? Gross National Product at market price. That is gross national product at market price. Now you will make formula from the same base. Base is GDPMP. What is the difference here? Here D and here N. D means domestic, N means national. By adding net factor income from abroad. By adding net factor income from abroad. I already told you about the net factor income from abroad is the difference between factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Next and last concept of this, NNPMP. Base is the same, GDPMP. You will see the difference with your eyes. Here G, here N. G means gross, N means net. It means minus depreciation. And what? Here D, domestic, here N, national. By adding net factor income from abroad. I am going to recapitalize again. It is the market value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country during the period of accounting year. Second, NDPMP. From gross you have to go in net. It means minus depreciation. GNPMP. It means gross national product at market price. What you will do? क्या करोगे आप? You have to go from where? Domestic to national. What you will do? You will add net factor income from abroad. Next is NNPMP. It means GDPMP minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad. The same you will follow in factor cost. First is, I am telling you, okay. The next is FC. Concepts are FC. FC means factor cost. The first concept is GDPFC. What is it? क्या है ये? Gross Domestic Product at factor cost. It means at which cost you produced that product. जिस प्रोडक्ट को आपने जिस कॉस्ट पर जो है वो बनाया है, आफ्टर दैट इट विल गो एट अ मार्केट वैल्यू. उसके बाद ये किस में जाता है? मार्केट वैल्यू में जाता है. तो यू विल सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस. इट इज़ अ सम टोटल ऑफ फैक्टर कॉस्ट incurred on the production of final goods and services within the domestic territory of a country. यानी कि जिन गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को डोमेस्टिक टेरिटरी में प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए दैट कॉस्ट इनकर्ड, जो कॉस्ट आती है, दैट इज नोन एज ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. तो इट इज़ अ सम टोटल ऑफ फैक्टर कॉस्ट इनकर्ड ऑन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. It is the sum total of factor cost. It is the sum total of factor cost incurred on the production of goods and services within the domestic territory of a country. Production of final goods and services within the domestic territory of a country. Okay beta, inclusive of, because gross is there, it means inclusive of depreciation. Okay, what do you mean by factor cost here? Factor cost is a sum total of rent, interest, profit and compensation of employees or wages, you can say. Because if you want to produce something, you have to pay for this. You have to pay the rent, you have to pay the interest, you have to pay the we can say that interest, compensation of employees, and entrepreneurs needs profit. Each and everything you have to pay. Second is NDPFC. Sorry beta. NDPFC. Base you will take the same. GDPFC. You have to go from gross to net. What you will do? Minus depreciation. The name of depreciation I told you, normal wear and tear, consumption of fixed capital, current replacement cost, anyone can be. Next is NDPFC. It has been done. GNPFC. It is the same base. GDPFC plus net factor income from abroad. And the last we have, that is NNPFC. NNPFC. Base will be the same. GDPFC, okay, minus depreciation, because from gross we are going to net, and FC Same is here. Domestic to national. It means net factor income from abroad. So how will you write the definition? You will write the definition of GDPFC and exclusive of depreciation. The same definition you will write inclusive of. If plus is there, it means inclusive of, जुड़ेगा. If minus is there, it means exclusive of, यानी कि उसे छोड़ दिया जाए. Now, I hope beta you can understand these concepts easily. This is the main base of the chapter for the next chapter also. Because if you want to solve the numerical, you want to understand the terms. That's firstly you have to do these all aggregates. It is the necessity. Otherwise, you cannot solve the numerical terms, or that is compulsory for all. Ki everyone will do it because it will come 6 marks practical numerical in exam. That's why you have to do it. Okay, beta. If you are facing any problem or you want to ask anything, you can take your queries on WhatsApp. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video.